How to create a profile on Upwork step-by-step guide. Creating a profile on Upwork involves several steps to ensure you showcase your skills and expertise effectively. Here's a step-by-step guide. Step 1. Sign up. Registration. Go to the Upwork website and sign up for an account. You'll need to provide your email address, create a username, and set up a password. Step 2. Build your profile. Profile basics. Add your full name, professional title, and a professional profile picture. Write a concise and engaging overview that highlights your skills, experience, and what you offer as a freelancer. Skills. Select your skills from Upwork's predefined list or add custom skills relevant to your expertise. Work experience. Add your work history, emphasizing relevant experiences that showcase your expertise. Include details about past projects, achievements, and responsibilities. Education. Fill in your educational background, certifications, and any relevant training or courses. Portfolio. Upload samples of your work, such as writing samples, design projects, code snippets, etc. This helps clients gauge your capabilities. Include diverse samples that highlight your skills in different areas, if applicable. Certifications and tests. Take Upwork skill tests related to your expertise to validate your skills. Add relevant certifications if you have them. Languages and location. Specify the languages you speak fluently. Set your location accurately as it can impact the jobs you see. Hourly rate or project rate. Decide whether you prefer an hourly rate or fixed project rates. Set your rates based on your skills and market value. Profile verification. Upwork may require verification steps such as confirming your identity. Follow their instructions for this process. Step 3. Personalize your profile. Customize profile URL. Edit your profile URL to something professional and easy to remember. Keywords and SEO. Use relevant keywords in your profile overview and skills to improve visibility in Upwork's search results. Step 4. Review and polish. Proofread. Check for typos, grammatical errors, or any inconsistencies in your profile information. Optimize for clients. Ensure your profile reflects what clients are looking for. Highlight your unique selling points and how you can solve their problems. Visibility settings. Adjust your profile visibility settings if needed. Determine who can view your profile based on Upwork's options. Step 5. Submit and launch. Submit your profile. Once you're satisfied with your profile, submit it for review to Upwork. Wait for approval. Upwork will review your profile to ensure it meets their quality standards. This process may take some time. Start bidding. Once your profile is approved, you can start bidding on projects that match your skills and expertise. Creating a compelling Upwork profile takes time and effort, but a well-crafted profile increases your chances of landing quality projects. Continuously update and refine your profile to reflect your growing skills and experiences.